We're on. Well, hello, and welcome back to the metalfinisher.com. Sean, can you remind me why I'm holding this ridiculous microphone when I have one on my lapel? No good answers? Well, I'm not using it then. Hey, welcome back to the metalfinisher.com. For all of you that didn't get a chance to see our video yesterday, we'll put it up here. You can go over to the YouTube page and check it out. But we went into a Vapor Honing Technologies VHT1000 with some greasy and oily engine parts. The main goal was to see if we could clean them all off in one machine. So today we're going to try to duplicate those results, but we're going to use a different machine, a CLM VibeTech Vibratory Finisher. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. So as you can see behind me here are the raw parts we're going to be processing today. The equipment we are going to use is the VT2810F by CLM VibeTech. Now with this line of CLM bowls, you can get anywhere from 1.5 to 95 cubic feet of working capacity. For our purposes today, we'll be using a small 1.6 cubic foot, and it'll have a 3 horsepower motor, and the channel width is 9.5 inches, and that machine is lined. Let's head on down to the lab. Let's go, Sean. Okay, we're now back from the lab and we have the results. Looks good, doesn't it? So what happened was I ran these in the CLM bowl for about an hour, maybe a couple minutes over an hour. I noticed it got rid of the grease and the oils pretty quickly, but after a half hour, the springs still had that paint on them that when I showed you the raw part. So threw them in for another half an hour, that paint actually came off. Now yesterday we ran the VHT1000, the Vapor Honings unit. That's a hand blast, slurry blast. And the pro for that versus the vibratory is it's much faster. We can get those done in about a minute or two. Now the pro for the CLM VibeTech Vibratory Bowl is, hey, yeah, it does take an hour, but you don't have a guy standing there the whole hour. He can go do other things. Plus, depending on the size of the bowl, you could put dozens, hundreds, even thousands, depending on how big you size your bowl. So if we want to compare the actual finish of the Vapor Honing versus the CLM bowl, we'll take a look at this picture. So the one side, I did a vibratory finish. I actually vibratory finished the whole thing, and then I just did half with the Vapor Honing. And you can definitely see a big difference with the Vapor Honing. You're getting a cleaner surface and a more consistent look to it. The CLM did a great job removing all the oils and grease, but it's not quite as consistent of a finish. All right, guys, before we sign off, I want to tell you to stick around until after the video. We're going to show you a whole bunch of CLM equipment. They have shaker screeners, vibratory bowls, tubs, washers, a ton of great stuff that you may not have seen before. So stick around for that. And thanks again for joining us here at the metalfinisher.com. As always, if you have any process or product reviews you'd like us to tackle, put them down in the comments section. Go ahead and like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next time. See, I couldn't say get out and blast because today we didn't blast. See ya.